how you doing today? I'm here with a different laptop, and this one is an DELL Inspiron 13 7000 series, and this one comes with an iCore 5. If your laptop is overheating and you want to repaste and you want to do the best repaste is the liquid metal. So if you guys want to go with a liquid metal to cool down your CPUs and do your maintenance, this video is for you. So first thing first, remove all the screws at the bottom cover, the 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, 2 in the middle, and 1 on each side of the hinges right here. Once you remove this screw, they're all the same size, so you can just mismatch them. You want to grab a guitar pick, you want to put it right in front of the laptop and just wiggle it around, and you lift up the bottom cover. Just do the same thing all around. Put your finger right underneath so it won't go back down. Do the same thing on the side. There you go. And now you can just go ahead and lift up the cover. Down here we can see the fan, the heatsink, and the CPU is right over there. Before we go there, I would suggest you guys disconnect the battery. To remove the battery, there's 2 screws holding it. So remove these 2 screws, and before removing it, untangle the cable for the hard drive just a little bit. Once you remove the screws for the battery, they're the same size again. Just lift out the battery and pull it out. There we go. You don't need to remove the RAM, it's not doing anything right there, so leave it there. Thinking to remove the heatsink, we need to remove the fan. To remove the fan, we're gonna remove this tape right on top. So remove the tape, take it somewhere else. Remove the fan connector, and you gotta pull this jack up. If there's a screw right on there, untangle this. There's a tape right underneath. Let's try to untangle it right there. You're gonna remove this screw right there and this screw right over there. There we go. And now we're gonna remove the fan. Just pull out the fan. If you wanna clean up the fan, go ahead. Next, we wanna remove the heatsink just by removing 3 screws that holds the heatsink right in there. The screws have a C-lock on them, so it won't come out because they have a C-lock protection on the other side. As you can see, in the factory they did a really bad job of thermal paste. As you can see, this is the work that they do in the factory. You want to clean up everything in here with a thermal paste remover. Also clean the thermal paste on the heatsink. And I was gonna go with a liquid metal, but we're not gonna be able to go with a liquid metal because the heatsink on this particular model is not a copper. On the iCore 7 that I have done before, it comes with a copper plate right here. So the fact that this is not a copper plate, we cannot do a liquid metal on this one. So we're just gonna go with a traditional thermal paste, and we're gonna use an MX4 thermal paste, and these are one of the good thermal paste that we have. So you wanna put a drop right in the first die, and a little bit on the second die, right there. And next, you just wanna put the heatsink right on top, and you wanna put the 3 screws while you're holding it in the middle. And next, you want to put the fan right there, slide the fan right underneath. And if you don't want to remove this one, you can actually remove it, but I'd rather leave it there. I'm just going to run the cable right there. Put the jack in first. People always forget the jack. And then put the 2 screws. Remember, this is a flat screw head, and the other one is just a regular small one. Next, you want to put the connector right here to connect this port to this port. There we go. Just make sure it's in place. And that's it. Now we're going to grab the battery. You're going to align the battery heads right there. You're going to push it down and put the 2 screws for the battery. Alright guys, and we are almost done. And last thing, we're gonna grab the bottom cover, and we're gonna align it right on top, and we're gonna push the sides and the front and the back. You're gonna hear those click sounds, that's good. And last thing last, you're gonna put all the screws at the bottom, and that will be all. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.